Here with Craig Williams, Aber Town winger. Hard fought result today?
Yeah, very hard fought, well result. It's great to get a point here, to be fair. Not many people come here and take anything away from the team. It's always going to be difficult, especially with the surface, but we're happy to get a point.
Well, 2 years undefeated here, so to get anything, as you say, it's very good.
It's a big record they've got there, and we're happy to take a point. We would have been happy with 3, but we take what we can get.
The first half was quite gritty, but then second half you're allowed to play with ball more, pass it around.
Yeah, we came here with a plan, and it worked. We were disappointed being 1-0 down at half time, but we were still in the game, which is what we wanted after half time. And it's taken a great finish from Chris again. He seems to be everything he hits seems to be turns to goals at the moment, and we've managed to hold on. They've hit the bar a few times, the post a few times, but for a change we've had a bit of luck.
Gaffer says about concentration and the communication of the team was brilliant tonight.
Yes, it was. Our last away game was lacking a bit, unfortunately. So to come here and get it all together, and it's worked well, and it's what we wanted.
Next Friday sees Bangor Town away.
Yeah, it doesn't get any easier, to be honest, is it? I know they're bottom of the league. It's a false position for me, I'm afraid, and it's going to be just as hard to go there next week and hopefully pick up 3 points next week.
So as a player, do you see anything in the rivalry with Bangor, or is it just another game?
It's just another game, to be honest. My rivalry was out there tonight, being a former player, so it's going to be a tough game. We know how good they are, and like I say, it's a false position they're in, so it'll be tough, and just hopefully we can get 3 points.